Okay, this is a great one, super easy, if you understand it, I should say, because if you don't understand it, it can be confusing. What is the name of the ray that is opposite ray BD? You should know that we have two different types of letters named. One of them is an endpoint, because there's only one endpoint on a ray, and the one that is the actual endpoint is going to line up with the side that doesn't have an arrow on it, and then it's going to go from that one, B in this case, through D and keep going. So it starts at B, that's the endpoint. It goes through B and keeps going. So any ray that's opposite it will fall on that same line if it was a line, meaning they will go and point in opposite directions exactly. So what you need to do then is you need to have the same endpoint, B. And so right away, if we're looking at our choices, we can see that it's still got to have B as an endpoint, just go pointing in the other direction. So it's going to be either A or C. They both have B as the endpoint. So let's cross out this because they don't have B as an endpoint. And of course, if it starts at B and runs through D, that is the ray. That's not opposite it. So what it needs to do is it needs to, again, start at B but running in the other direction. So it'll run in the other direction. It'll run through A, so the answer is C. And two opposite rays will form a line. Basically, it's just you're picking some point along that line to kind of end one and start the other, but it still would be, they're coming from a single line. So that's it.